Hello.
Today we are diving into the mantra that cleanliness is next to godliness. When it comes to industrial sewing machines, did you know that dust particles from fabric float in the air? While you work, dust settles at night time, or when there is no movement, and over time this dust accumulates on your machine, potentially causing wear and tear or even damage. Let us explore preventative maintenance, emphasizing cleanliness and keeping your machine pristine and humming along like a well-tuned symphony in your working environment. By doing so, you will extend its life for many creative projects to come.
Regular maintenance of your industrial sewing machine is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, proper care and cleaning can significantly extend the lifespan of your machine, saving you money in the long run by avoiding costly repairs or premature replacements. Obviously, a well-maintained machine will operate much more efficiently, reducing downtime and increasing your overall productivity. Regular maintenance ensures enhanced performance and allows your machine to continue running at its best, producing high-quality stitches and minimizing the risk of thread breakages or other issues. Neglecting maintenance can lead to mechanical problems that pose safety risks to the operator. Keeping your machine in tip-top condition helps protect your employees.
You sew, I sew, we all sew.
But some of you may also have ISO. Depending on your industry, there may be specific regulations or standards that require regular maintenance and documentation. Staying on top of this can help you avoid issues with compliance. To keep your industrial sewing machine in optimal condition, it is your responsibility to follow these 3 basic compulsory tasks. Clean your machine regularly, lubricate as required, and as stipulated in your machine manual. Inspect your machine belt regularly. Imagine this: your team is about to finalize a production job. Delivery is expected by your client by end of day. Your technician is on holiday again, and suddenly your machine grinds to a halt. Wait, what? It's not load shedding?
Don't panic.
You left a client waiting.
And guess what?
That was preventative.
Regular maintenance could prevent these unexpected breakdowns. Eén weet jij, spijt komt altijd te laat.
Too late.
Spijt komt te laat. As jouw hart die waarheid praat.
Performing routine maintenance on your industrial sewing machine is crucial to ensure its longevity and optimal performance. Here are some guidelines to schedule and follow. Daily maintenance. Clean, and then clean your machine regularly. Clean the machine's exterior, interior, and all moving parts to remove accumulated dust, lint, and debris, including the hook area and the looper section on overlocker machines. Use a soft brush, compressed air, and a clean lint-free cloth. Ensure the oil level is sufficient and check for any oil leaks. Consult your machine's manual on all moving parts and lubricate all necessary components, such as the hook and needle bar, using the recommended lubricants. Please note that in some modern machines, this is not required as they have an oil pump submerged in oil that lubricates all the internal parts. So please ensure that there is sufficient oil in the machine. Remove and clean presser foot and throat plate regularly to prevent lint buildup and to ensure smooth operation. Please do this. Keep your machine covered when not in use to prevent dust from settling. Weekly maintenance. Clean the inside of the bobbin assembly and case, tension discs, and under the throat plate. Oil all moving parts, including the needle bar, hook set area, and other parts. Check and replace needles regularly to prevent damage and ensure smooth stitching. Monthly maintenance. Ensure that the motor pulley guards are secure and functioning optimally. Examine the drive belt for signs of wear or damage, and replace it if needed to maintain proper machine operation. Even if it looks as though it is fine, ensure that the belt tension between the pulleys has been maintained. Use compressed air or a vacuum cleaner to clean the motor and remove dust and debris. Check and clean finger and pulley guards, and ensure they are secure and clean to prevent damage. Quarterly maintenance. Clean or replace filters as needed to ensure proper oil flow and machine performance. Should the motor start making sounds, have the bearings replaced. Check and tighten machine stand bolts and ensure that these bolts are secure and tightened properly. Change the oil in your machine according to the manufacturer's schedule. Professional maintenance. Have your machine serviced by a professional technician at least once a year to ensure that it is in good working condition, and to catch any potential issues before they become major problems.
By following these maintenance schedules, you can ensure your industrial sewing machine runs smoothly, efficiently, and with high-quality stitching. Remember to consult your machine's manual for specific maintenance guidelines tailored to your particular machine model. In conclusion, remember, a stitch in time saves 9. Regular maintenance is super important and will ensure those sewing machines keep purring. It directly impacts the longevity of your industrial sewing machines. So, keep those sewing machines in tip-top shape. and watch your creativity and productivity soar. Your team will high-five you, and your bottom line will thank you.
Next up, in our next video, we will explain how to adjust the height and position of the feed dogs, and why it is key to having perfect feeding of the material. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos on industrial sewing machines. Until next time, push up production with Bost.